We're doing a little morning meeting in the moss garden before we start flowers today. So glad to be back. Flower delivery. Got a big wedding this weekend. Actually, 3 weddings this weekend. And the van is ready to be loaded up with the first wedding for tonight. So let's go inside and check out what we've done so far.
Welcome back to Design Your Life. Today we're working on a wedding and I have all the elves are here. There's Michael and Paige and Emily, and we are making a beautiful wedding. And just gonna show you a couple of things. This is the bridal bouquet, by the way. She wanted a little color, a little fall feel, but not too fall feel.
Gorgeous.
I never tie the bouquet off until I get to the church for the bride, just to make sure that it's the right size. And on this is going to be a centerpiece. It will go atop one of those gold vases over there. Michael's holding one up. Once we get to the venue. But I just wanted to show you how quick and easy it is to sort of scale up. He's done a really, really nice job with this arrangement. It's good scale for the top of that vase, but we are going to jack it out, garden it up. This particular bride likes a gardeny feel. She doesn't want it too wild, too crazy, but she likes a gardeny feel. I equated the photos that she showed me to a Dutch master's painting. Lots of flowers, wonderful, robust colors, and interesting, nice flowers, peonies, roses. And if you want to come a little closer, Emily, and do a close-up of one of these Juliet roses. Let me find one. Here we go. This is a French cut garden rose. Its name is Juliet, and it's one of my favorites.
It's got some thorns though, doesn't it?
It has a lot of really sharp thorns. In fact, one of the things that I've kind of learned over the years are the prettier the rose and the more that I like it, the sharper the thorns and the more thorns. An ugly rose doesn't need evidently protection against me. But that's kind of what we're doing. We're getting ready to load and go. It is time. It is Friday, which is unusual to have a wedding on Friday, but everything has been unusual this year so far.
It's true.
Thank you for watching and being a part of our little extravaganza, and I'm glad that you got to meet the people that make me look good all the time. Thanks for watching.
You want to be a magician?
Actually,
You are a magician.
me too.
Michael.
I always thought that would be really cool.
What's your next
You just do, ta-da! Here are the arrangements. It is a magician. Thanks for watching Design Your Life with Terry White. We hope you've enjoyed a little glimpse into Terry's event design business, The English Garden. If you'd like more information, go to theenglishgardenweddings.com. Thanks for watching.